So this is my jig. It's suspended from my bed. It is a drill and the rod from my filing jig, and I drilled a small hole in it. This is 14 gauge steel wire. I got 100 feet. Take the end of your wire, thread it through the hole, and turn the drill. Now you may want to grab a rag to hold it down. Then snip off your wire. Snip it off from the hole. Unlip your end. Slide it off. Then be left with a spring-like coil. This is the coil we just did. Here's another one I have done previously. Take your snips, your wire cutters, and just cut down one ring at a time. If you do two, then you'll bend them. Now, once you have a few rings, you're gonna want to take your pliers and close 4 rings. To close them, take your pliers on either side and just give it a little twist so that the joints line up. Okay, now that we have 4 closed rings, we'll take one more ring and we'll open it up. So we'll twist it in the opposite direction to leave a gap like so. Now take the 4 closed rings and hook them onto the open ring and close it off. Then make another one of those. I have one here. And you want to set it up I find it easiest to hang the chainmail while putting it together, and I also hang my pliers on my coiling jig so that they're easy to access. You want to take one bundle and take one of your rings and rotate it so that it faces that way. Pinch it off. Take an open ring and hook it through open this up, open up these two, so it's like that. And hook your ring through the centerpiece. Bring up another ring off the side so that it's oriented the same way as the other ring on its little bundle. And close it off. Now for putting chainmail side by side, take your two strips, line them up. I'm hanging them in the same spot next to each other. Take your open ring, hook it in, around the back two, front of the bottom two.